Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Shuttle. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely stone grey solid paint colour, this example features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and the vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 17-inch Monte Carlo alloy wheels coming in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass lining the rear windows as well as the rear tailgate window. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, this transporter shuttle features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space in the back with some load lashing rings. Moving into the most rear passenger area, there is a 3-seater bench, and in front of this we'll also find 3 individual seats. These seats feature ISOFIX points, and access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab, there's a twin armrest seat for the driver, accompanied by a twin-seater passenger bench. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen, we'll find a variety of different charging points as well as a cup holder. And for the driver, we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Shuttle. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.